Hi! So, I'm really bored right now. And I'm working on my project, but, like, I can't do it anymore. I need a break to do something. I would try to go down to the dam and go just hang out over there and read or something, but I want to bring y'all along, but I don't have enough battery juice, and so it's being charged right now, and I don't know if by the time they get charged I'd want to go not anymore or not. Probably not. So I guess maybe I can take some pictures with my Polaroid camera and use up the film that's about to expire. I could do that. There she is, just hanging there. Oh no. There it is! See how it turns out. I used to have one of these when I was like 8. It's so cool, and I love having one again. Like, it's amazing. Just bringing back some good memories. It's coming! I look like a ghostie. See the resemblance yet? Thought there was an ant on my foot. Y'all want to be in the picture? Okay, you ready? Make sure to smile and say cheese, okay? Cheese! Look at that! There's us. There's our picture. I look like I don't have a nose, but that's okay. I'll just look like Vanderbilt's daughter. Okay, we just used up the rest of this film that was in here, so now we gotta change it. This is empty. See that in there? Open this up. This way. And that's it. This car over here looks like it's from the movie Cars. Yeah, there it is. That's cool. But we're gonna check out to see if the new gym is done, and we're gonna take a tour of the laundry room, because I know that I haven't showed you guys that yet, and see if anything's been done to the other gym, because the old gym is supposed to be a new quote-unquote study room, study/quiet room. The old laundry room, more than half of it's been taken up to put in a quote-unquote new gym area, so we'll see. And then the laundry room is like that big. Okay, so this gym still looks the same. I don't think you guys have seen this gym before, but well, this is pretty much the it of it. That's it. There's someone in there? That's creepy. They're supposed to be out. Normally people are gone by, like, the office people are gone by 5. That's weird. So that kind of scared me just a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna see what, we're not gonna see the, I'm gonna show you the laundry room. They're working on everything still, so. Okay. Yeah, nobody likes this room. It's always dirty and stuff. But yeah, so this is it. That's it. Now you guys have seen the entire old laundry room compared to this. So this is basically a closet. Like, look, I'm standing outside right now. And there's the strip of floor. And there's only 4 washer and dryers. That's crazy. Okay, now let's see what they've done in the room, if we're allowed in there yet. We are. The door's still broken. Okay, so this is the new room. Let me know if that's all squishy. They got new equipment. All this stuff I think is new. TV. Bathroom. Weights. Echoey in here. Ooh. If I were to use anything in here, it would probably be like maybe this, and maybe this, and maybe that over there, but everything else not really. I wonder if they're gonna put mirrors in here. That would be great. Like, if they could put mirrors right there, that would be awesome. There's some new mats. That's cool. Right there. I like these little stretchy things. I forget what they're called. They got some yoga things. Oh, that's kind of cool. Other than that, not really that impressed. I don't know if I'm supposed to be in here yet or not. Probably not. I don't know. My thing wouldn't have worked if I wasn't supposed to be. It's all squishy. But yeah, so that's that. Pretty much it. It's hot. It's humid today. Cool. So yeah, that's it. Not sure what else to do anymore because I'm crazy bored. My ballet starts on the 9th. My ballet starts on Thursday. I don't know what I'm doing to myself, but I need it. I need it to happen, so. And I am starting to feel a little better about my body. Little bit. We're getting there. We're doing some things. I got flip-flops on too. I know you guys just saw that, but this is the first time, with the exception of a few other times, that I'm actually wearing flip-flops. Now these ones make you like die. Like you literally can trip. I tripped this morning from these flip-flops. These flip-flops has some kind of motive for whoever wears them. I don't know, but it's funny. Anyways, so yeah, we're just walking around now, I guess. This is so weird because time just feels a little bit weird right now. Like, it doesn't feel like a day. It just doesn't feel like anything. It feels not a bad weird, but like a weird. Hi, little squirrel. Think he's a little bit scared. You're adorable. Okay, I'll leave you alone now. Found this tiny little egg. It's so tiny, like compared to my pinky. Like, look at that. It's just as big as like the top part of my pinky. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. It was laying like this, so I thought it was a whole egg. So I picked it up thinking like I was gonna be a bird mom, but no. I'm happy the bird's alive though and is okay and has a mom. But yeah, I just thought this was really cute. It's adorable. We're gonna put it back in the grass now. So I'm wearing shorts today, and that's like always out of my comfort zone. Like if I'm wearing them, I'm still very uncomfortable in them, but I'm trying to learn to love my body again, but I haven't loved it in a very, very, very long time. So I'm trying now. I'm really trying, and I felt really good walking down the street. I was like, okay, this is really nice. I was feeling myself. I was feeling happy and feeling comfortable. And then all of a sudden, I caught a guy like staring at me, and it was just like a filter that just shattered my view of myself. And I looked down at my legs that I was just looking at a minute ago, of how they looked okay to me, and then I looked down at them after he stared at me, and I just saw all of the flaws and all of just a wave of insecurity just came back, and I started getting anxiety again. And then I noticed other guys, and this is always like older guys too, and it's just so uncomfortable, and I'm trying to like find ways to cope, but this is sad. We shouldn't have to cope. Like, they're the ones that need to change, and whoever thinks that the females need to change are a little bit brainwashed or something. But anyways, I'm going to go now. I'm here at the library, so so I found this vegan unhoney stuff. It's weird. It already smells funny. So yeah, we're gonna try this. It smells like wet beef jerky and barbecue sauce mixed in with dog food. But we're not gonna turn our noses up to this yet. We still need to try it. Here's to trying new things. Why does it look so liquidy? I mean, I know that they said like the things are separating and yada yada. Okay. There's a lot of flavors to this. At first I thought it tasted like molasses, and then I was like, okay, this tastes like fig something. Then it tasted like, I can't tell if I don't like this or not. And it's not mixed up either, so I have to give it. Some part of me kind of likes it, and the big majority of me don't like it. Camera's about to die.